Legal maxims and phrases. Key. Facet. Per. Elium. Facet. Per. Se. Key. Facet. Per. Elium. Facet. Per. Se. Key. Facet. Per. Elium. Facet. Per. Se, which means he who acts through another is deemed in law to do it himself. It is a fundamental legal maxim, especially in the law of agency, attributing responsibility or liability from an agent's actions to the principal. It is a maxim often stated in discussing the liability of employer for the act of employee in terms of vicarious liability. The maxim essentially states that when someone acts through another person, an agent, the law considers the principal, the person who authorized the action, to have done the act themselves. According to this maxim, if in the nature of things, the master is obliged to perform the duties by employing servants, he is responsible for their act in the same way that he is responsible for his own acts. If an employer, principal, instructs an employee, agent, to perform a task, and the employee causes harm or damages while performing that task, the employer can be held liable for the employee's actions under the Key. Facet. Per. Elium. Facet. Per. Se. Whatever a principal can do for himself can be done through an agent. The exception to this maxim would be acts of personal nature. The maxim has its roots in the Latin legal tradition and is often cited in legal discussions about agency, responsibility, and liability. This maxim is used to determine who is responsible for the actions of an agent in various legal contexts, including contracts, torts, and criminal law. Please like and share the video. Thank you.